Hey there, Mower Nuts. Mower Mike here at Texas HQ. Today I've got a special video for you. This is a follow-up to the foam tire video. Now the foam tire video went absolutely bonkers. We had thousands of views, tons of people watching it, lots of comments, lots of likes, and a few dislikes too. We had somebody disagree with Texas HQ's method, specifically a Robin out there. You know who you are. So this is for Robin. Now Robin left me a message and said, Mower Mike, we totally disagree with your methods, even though I had R&D look into it. Robin believes that you have to actually drill holes in here to allow the foam to set up, because for some reason, when you inject through a valve stem, there's no air in the tire. Kind of similar to the vacuum of space. Like for some reason, inside this tire is a vacuum of space, and there's no air in there to let the foam set up. Here at Texas HQ, we totally disagree with you, Robin. I mean, 110%. And we went back and forth a little bit, had some, little heated conversation there in the comments. But to end this once and for all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a utility knife. And what I've done, I've made a circle around the inside rim of the tire, around the outside, on both sides, and we're just gonna open it up like a Christmas present. I'm gonna see what's in there and just end this whole little squabble back and forth, so you can see the tire, how the foam's set up in here, just perfect, and then we can end this. And I think I'm actually gonna mow my yard just on the foam without the rubber. We'll see how that goes. So this is the first time I've actually seen it. I've got it open, so I'm gonna go ahead and start prying it. We'll see how it goes. Oh my gosh. This is completely not what I expected. If you look in here, sorry, I'm a bit in shock right now. There is no freaking foam in here at all. As you can see, it kind of created a foam layer along the rubber and along the rim, but I don't see any foam set up in here. I'm a little shocked. I'm a little pissed. We had R&D look into this. We've got this new intern out of Texas A&M. I told HR not to hire him. That's not a real university, but they hired him anyways just because they can't get hired out of A&M. So Carl, you're fired. So let's move on. We'll get some Red Raiders in here. But if you see what happened, injected the foam in there. The foam did not set up, but it did create a barrier along the inside of the tire. So that barrier was actually letting the tire stay firm. I mean, when I poked into the tire, it did have some air come out, which made me wonder a little bit. But as you can see, the foam did not set up in it. So we've got an issue here, Houston. I'm not going to say this is a total fail. If you just have a can of that foam, I mean, it does work. It did create an awesome barrier on the inside. It plugged any holes in the tire, and it let it run. I mean, it ran great. So if you have a $5 can of foam and you want to try this before you actually start poking holes in the tires, I'd say go for it. But this is not what I expected. So we're going to get back on this. I'm going to get R&D involved. I'm going to make some calls here on my fancy red phone, which I swear is hooked up to the R&D department. And so Robin, you won this one. I mean, I've got to eat crow on this one. 1 for Robin, 59 for Mower Mike. But I'll give you this one, but we're going to get you next round. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little embarrassed on the outcome of this guy, but please subscribe. I'm not afraid to admit when I'm wrong, but this is not what I expected. So with that, Mower Mike's out, and we'll see what happens next time. Peace out.